What's up, y'all? It's Day Lakai, aka Lakai Dad, aka Dan, and today we are back with another video. I am obviously losing my voice, so let me just hurry up and get through this. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my nails. I learned this method because I wanted to look up a nail technique that I can do without using gel or acrylic. So this is called the Aprés Gel X dupe. This is a dupe, so I'm not using the actual brand and the actual kit because that's $150, and we do not have that. So I'm going to be showing you how I do my nails at home. It's very, very easy for people who don't want to deal with gel or acrylic. Right now, I'm just clipping my nails. You just clip them short. No method to this. I just clip it as short as I want. Then you're filing them down. After you file your nails down, you want to take a buffer and you want to buff your nails. This is getting rid of the natural shine that is on your nails, and it just helps the nail stay on longer. So this is something you want to do when you're doing any type of things with your nails and you're putting something on top of it, whether you're putting just nail polish, press on nail, just get rid of the shine. It really helps for it to stay on. Next, I'm going to be using my coffin nails, and I'm going to size them up to my fingers. Make sure they're sized up side to side. So make sure the one side goes to the one side and the other side goes to the other side, just to make sure it's big enough, because you don't want your nails to be too small, then they're not going to look right. I got these nails from Amazon. I got almost everything off of Amazon. I will be linking everything into the description so that you know exactly where I got it from and exactly what I use. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm literally just sizing my nails up to make sure that they're the correct size, and I'm doing that for each and every one of my nails. After I do that, I'm taking each and every nail and I'm going to get rid of the shine that's inside of the nail. So I'm going to flip it over to the inside and use my nail drill and get rid of the shine. Like I said, I literally just got everything off of Amazon, so I'll be linking it down below. But you see the difference, like it's just getting rid of the shine. You don't have to file it all the way down, just get rid of the shine. Okay, after you're done with that, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a nail dehydrator and a nail primer, and you're also going to need a UV light. The nail dehydrator and the nail primer is to prime your nails so they'll stay on longer. First, you want to start with the nail dehydrator and use that to get rid of all the oils that are on top of your fingernails and to get rid of the shine. This is going to help it stick. Then you're going to use the nail primer and use that to prime your nails. Also is going to help it stick. I really don't know how though. I don't know how that works, but it does help. So you're just going to put that on. This is an important step. This is how you make your nails last about 2 weeks. So it almost lasts as long as getting your nails at the shop if you do this step. So make sure you do this step. And you're just going to let that air dry. Okay, now we're going to take our gel builder. This is going to act as the glue that's going to put your nail on top of your real nail. So you're going to put the gel builder, you're going to brush it onto your real nail. Just a nice layer. It doesn't have to be too thick, but it doesn't have to be too thin because you want it to hold. Then you're going to take the same gel builder and put it inside of the fake nail. Again, a very nice layer. Just make sure everything is coated. Just do the half part, don't do the tips. Just do the part where your nail is going to be on. After that, you want to gently but firmly press the nail onto your nails. You want to make sure you have no air bubbles at all. Then you want to hold it down and put it inside your UV light. Make sure you're holding it so it doesn't move, because if it moves and it becomes crooked, you're not going to be able to get it off. So just hold it down until it can hold itself, and then leave it in there for 30 seconds. Okay, as you can see, this is what it will look like. No air bubbles. I think I had a little bit of air bubbles on the side, but just try not to get any air bubbles at all if you want them to last long. And I'm just gonna do this to every finger, and that's it. That's really just how you get the nails on. Like, that's it. To make sure you don't move the nail, but if you do, you can quickly take it out the UV light and move it back to normal. Just make sure it's not completely cured. After you finish all your fingernails, you want to cure your whole entire hand for 60 seconds. This is going to help the gel cure completely and make sure there's no lifting. Okay, this is basically the finished look, and I'm gonna do my other hand. So this is basically it. Now all you have to do is paint them now. You can use regular nail polish or gel. I'm using gel, so right now I'm buffing off the shine off of each and every nail. Getting rid of the shine will really help the gel polish adhere, or regular nail polish. It's going to help adhere to the nail so it doesn't peel off or end up chipping. After you buff the nails, you want to take your nail filer and just kind of file the tips down just to make sure that it's even and there's no weird little knots at the end that comes on nails. So just get rid of those. To start off polishing my nails, you're going to need a top coat and a base coat. You're going to need whatever gel polish you want to use. I used purple and white, and I took some gold foil I bought off Amazon. Those are stickers, but I didn't use them, so don't worry about them. And so I'm going to take my base coat. This is, I think it's called Beetle's base coat, foundation coat. I really like it, but I used it on my ring finger first because I wanted to start off with the gold and see how I could do it and make it work. So basically I took the base coat and I put it on my nails, and then I cured it for about 60 seconds. After you cure it, it becomes a little bit sticky, so this was really good for the gold foil to put on top of the nails because it had something to stick onto. Right now you see me breaking up the foil because they came in really big pieces, so I'm trying to break them up into smaller pieces so I can put them on top of my nails. And you literally just take your little tweezers and just lay it right on top. As you can see, I'm just like lightly placing it on the nail and then trying to adjust it and move it around as needed. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. Like, the stickiness of the base gel really helped, so I feel like that's a very important step to really help make the foil hold on to the nail, if you know what I mean. Right now I'm just adding the finishing touches, just putting little small ones in the middle where I didn't get any foil. Right now you see me just tapping it down lightly with my fingers just to make sure it lays flat so it doesn't become bumpy. So I'm just laying it as flat as possible on my nails, and that's basically it. All you have to do is put a top coat on and cure it, but I didn't put a top coat on because I'm trying to do the rest of my nails. So I basically put a base coat on my index finger. I knew I wanted to be some type of white, so I cured that and I put the white polish on top of it. Again, I didn't really know what I was going for. I was thinking about putting some more gold on the white using the gold stickers, but I decided to go through with like a little marble effect. So I didn't cure that. No, I didn't. I put the base coat on the rest of my nails so I can just add the purple and I can cure it all at the same time. After I put the base coat on the rest of my nails, I cured it for 60 seconds. All of my nails are being cured for 60 seconds each. Then I'm putting the purple on the rest of my nails because I absolutely love purple and I didn't know how to do this without it. But be sure that you put a nice even layer, not super thin, but you want to make sure that it's thin and not thick, because if you put a thick layer It's going to cause so much trouble. It's going to cause rippling in the nails. It's not going to cure all the way. You're going to hate it. So make sure you put a nice even layer or you're going to be sorry for it later. So this is how it looks right now. Everything just has one coat. So I'm going to put a second coat of the white onto the white nail. And this is where I decide I kind of want to be artistic today and use the little brushes I bought off of Amazon. So I'm going to take the purple nail polish and kind of flip the little top around and take the small brush and kind of do some type of marbly design. That's what I was going for. So I just did all these random squiggly lines and I kind of like this. So I just kept going with it and I tried my best to like make the lines look a little squiggly and diagonal, and I got all types of lines going in all types of different directions. But yeah, this is what I end up doing. Now you see me going in with the purple nail polish again. I'm doing another coat of the purple nail polish so it can be as pigmented as possible. And then I decided that I want to go in with the nail art brush and the white gel polish just to kind of make it look a little bit more smoky and make it a little bit more marbly. I don't know how to describe it other than those words. So I just went in and kind of just went over the lines and try to cover some up, and that's what I went for. And now I'm curing it for 60 seconds. And this is basically the finished look. This is it. All you have to do is put on a nice layer of top coat. So this is top coat that I'm using. I went ahead and put it on my fingers. Make sure that you don't do a too thick layer because it will drip, and if it drips on your skin it will burn. It will burn because it's gel, and gel tends to burn when you put it on your skin. So just try not to get on your skin and try to be as precise as possible. I put another layer of the top coat onto the foil because I wanted it to be as smooth as possible and I didn't really want to feel the foil. So putting a second coat, or if you even need to put a third coat, it will help. So just keep adding coats until you can't really feel the bumpiness of the foil anymore. And this is basically the finished look. They're so cute. I absolutely love them. Side note, these did pop off. I've been wearing them for a few days. These did pop off. So make sure that you use the gel base that I used to stick the nail onto my real finger. Make sure you use a little bit more than that. Make sure you use a little bit more than what I used because these seem to pop off because I didn't use enough. And this is basically the finished look. Ain't they cute? I love them. I absolutely love them. This is the first time I did some type of nail design. I feel so accomplished. I feel proud of myself. Make sure you add some cuticle oil at the end to help it look more finished and help your cuticles. But yeah, this is the finished look. If you have any questions that I didn't answer, please let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, this is it. I did it. I did these myself at home. Easy peasy. Like, again, everything was off of Amazon, and I will be listing everything in the description box below. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.